Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's video guys, I'm gonna show you which area is the best for fishing so that you can catch more fish. So we are planning to going at the middle of the sea, riding a big boat together with my co-workers. Keep on watching guys until the end. So we will tour you at the middle of the sea, and then what is the rules for fishing, which size of the fish is allowed and which size is not allowed, and then we will know. So this is very important guys if you are doing fishing here in New Zealand. So we will know the rules and regulation. Okay guys, so let's go and let's carry on to the middle of the sea, how to catch more big snapper. Keep on watching guys, and if you are new in my YouTube channel, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Okay, let's carry on. We're going to fishing. Okay. It's a nice place, only here in New Zealand. This is all of my friends going to fishing. Orang Marina. Oh, very big. See, he got Peter. Very nice.
It's too big with the full best.
50 kg. See? Very big. Oh, see? Thank you, Pete. Congrats. Very big. See?
That's 54.
How many? 54. 54 inches. It's beautiful. So very big. That's just Peter. See? 54. It's all of my friends. Grabe, laki to. Laki na. Mas Peter, see? Peter. See? Very big. Very nice. 54 inches. Yeah, awesome guys, see? Giant snapper. Congrats. I got 60 now. This guy, he got this very big. Very big, very big. This guy, he cuts. My friend. Sick, very second. Very big, see? Oh, cuts, my friend. See, congrats. Ah, this guy, see? Nice. Congrats. Very big. So this area is very nice. Have more big fish. How many?
54.
Oh, 50. Same.
Brother.
brother. 54. Oh. So this guy, he cuts a big fish. Kuda now, 55. Ito. Yeah. Si deep. Maybe deep. It's big. Let's see. What's out, guys? What's out? Very big. It's deep. Let's see. Oh my God! So very big. That was deep, huh? Deep.
Another 50.
Oh, third time. Congrats, Dave. Oh, wow, kulay pula. Very big. Dave. Shit, very big. Yeah, Dave, see? That was Dave. He cast that fish. Yeah, and also the fish, see? Nice one. Very big. We check how many inches.
What do you reckon, 54?
Yeah, 54 before.
No, 53.
Oh, 53. Take a photo. It's very big. Nice. We are enjoying here to fishing. See? Oh, Dave, photo Dave. Yes.
Dali ha?
This is how to catch a big fish. Yeah, tanawa ko.
Pagani. Ha. Natit.
Go.
Oh. Just now coming. Woo! Look here. Look here.
Go. Agaw. Malaking kuha na agaw. Tingnan natin. Tingnan nyo guys. Ang laki. Maybe malaki to guys. Ito yung nagkakuha oh. Agaw. Oh, see, can big. Lex, you're that one? Yeah. Nice one. Rowell also, see. Oh, very big. Nice. See? 50 kilos. Very big.
Okay.
See? Very nice. See, this one all. That's very big. See? Yeah.
That one's 40.
So that's all my friends here. Peter. Nice. We are enjoying here. Enjoying fishing. So guys, malaki to guys. Arroyo, yeah. Big fish. Check. Oh, sabot ako. Nice. Oh, sounds coming. Yes, very big. See. Ah, congrats. 39. Lex, I cut that one.
39.
Yeah, me.
It's a small one.
I cut that one. Very big. Let's see. Big again. How are you, Lex? So that was Alex. He cuts Alex. 30 and a half. That's nice.
I think all fish the big one.
Okay guys, we finished fishing, so we're going back. This is all the action star, all the Mudin, Sophia and Buddha. Sophia cuts 34. They're going now. There we go. Finish.
Are you guys trying to cook?
I drive. See, dude. Enjoy, come on.
The big boy.
The host. So we're going back. Fishing is done. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Million views.
Did you tell him your OnlyFans?
This is Alex. This is my friend, Riders. Nice experience. See you next time, guys.